Hello students, today our topic is our environment. So environment is the sum total of everything around an organism, including both living and non-living components. So the living components are the biotic components and non-living components are the abiotic components which influences the environment. Next is the components of the environment in detail. Abiotic components are the non-living factors that affect the environment like climatic factor, which includes wind, water, light, etc. Physiographic factors like height, slope, and edaphic factors like mineral, soil texture, soil organism, or pH of the soil. Whereas biotic factors, which are also known as the living factors, are animals, insects, lichens, humans, and parasites, which have life, are all biotic factors. Next important topic is waste. So, in day to day life, we come across many waste things around us like garbage and kitchen waste. They are simply defined as the useless or discarded materials. They may be gaseous, liquid, or solid in nature, and their disposal is a big problem. So, they can be classified into two. So, there are two types of wastes, biodegradable and non biodegradable. Biodegradable wastes are those which can be broken down to non-poisonous substances in nature in due course of time by the action of microorganisms like bacteria and fungus. Example: cow dung, animal bones, leather, tea leaves, wool, paper, etc. Whereas non-biodegradable substances or wastes are those which cannot be broken down to non-poisonous or harmless substances. So let's do it in the tabular form. So, biodegradable waste can be broken down into simpler substances by biological process, whereas non-biodegradable substances cannot. Biodegradable substances are environmental friendly as they don't cause any pollution, whereas non-biodegradable substances causes pollution. Example of biodegradable substances are wood, paper, cotton, fruit, whereas example of non-biodegradable substances are DDT, polythene bags, plastic, metal, etc.